Welcome to the Davenport Neck Bird Sanctuary in the city of New Rochelle. We're actually going to head on in and see how many bird songs we can hear today. New York State is home to up to 500 different bird species, 50 of which can be seen and heard here at the Bird Sanctuary. Each bird species has their own unique call and sound, all of which becomes very apparent when springtime has come around. I want everyone to close their eyes, and we're going to try to count how many bird songs we can hear. Are you ready? Let's go.